Paluta kwa pai. I didn't think Paluta kwa pai. Okobo show we dey abusia London na obra obo show no the crowd were enjoying we be ni age. Paluta oma kuma nyami ya hwepa ma baby amenya me do ekoyi mama. Then the fans were enjoying. We be ni age, they were enjoying the show. There was this one particular lady abusia. This lady wasn't enjoying the show. And then Seni Pokre catch Paluta said, leave stage because me feel you vibe no. And Paluta said, wait, what are you talking about? How much did you pay? How much did you pay to come to my show and tell me that you are not feeling the vibe? I must leave stage. And Paluta said, Masa debi unposo. So when you look at the whole saga na bush, when you video ni be ya hwe ya ba matwaso.
You don't give a fuck about me, I don't give a fuck about you. Twaasidi. I don't think about me for the car for the uncle. Already said, Kwasia. I'm going to keep on
Now that was the video of Paluta where you live. No can when it Twaasidi mean to Sebi. You are in trouble, yeah, man. Frame with the black sheriff and you on the kind Paluta. This was your lie because of say this woman was saying that Paluta wasn't, making her feeling the vibe on the stage. So Paluta should leave stage and Paluta say Debbie. Again, I see Nanka aboko kwa shedi nkari nyani akoko. Enka wetimi matime free oh my Ghana mu the peaceful country. Na maba say I'm coming to perform for you. If you are not feeling the vibe, leave. Walk out. Walk out of the showroom. You shouldn't be there and be telling me say you are not feeling my vibes. So I should leave the scene and Paluta say Debbie. What? Hey, apostle yeah. Those around Paluta they were trying to calm him down. They were trying to tell him, around him, ma bonjo, ma cool down. Paluta said, Debbie, me mpesa nyo mano. Paluta to be man. And then some people went to the comment section of these videos. Once we are posted, just go to the comment section and see the comment. Debbie Paluta needs to, work on his anger issues. Paluta needs to calm down. It is part of the job. You can go to stage. No, that's if ko takradema on so your TTV man war. Watch I say. There was a video of another one and they say Kwasia soko takradia on so he yes you guru so sabe. It do happen on daily basis for artists. Somebody can be in your at your show and then the person feel like that I'm not feeling the vibe. Obit ma Kwasia na we bit me Black if nanu ya obi punching and not pie. So it is part of the job and people are telling Paluta say Debbie. It is a normal thing. Obi bit ma ba the person will be telling you that I'm not feeling the vibe. Obi ma Kasimi manasho akoma. And then even the person can even bring an image of your rival artist and then they will be showing it like this. Watch I say. You can see it, but also now performing because she's not the only person at the program and at the concert and there were a lot of people who were jamming to the song. So when that person said that, you should have snubbed it. That is what people are saying. Said Debbie Paluta anya because say Debbie, who she was saying as own feeling vibe now. You are not feeling the artist. Just walk out. Walk out of the room. Don't be there and then be provoking the artist. And so you are killing the spirit. You're killing the vibe that he is using to perform on stage. So two things I'm leaving for you right now. Was Paluta right or was he wrong? And lady no so provoking Paluta no. Your comment under the comment section is acceptable. Hi Karma Studios and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. Finally out.